Ishan Kaushik this side. I'm a student of GAD from École Intuit Lab New Delhi.
Hi guys, I'm Managha from Lab 3VC.
Hi guys, I am Anushka from PG Lab Pro.
We are the students of École New Delhi.
So today is the D-Day of our international workshop.
Me, along with my teammates, are gonna take you through our output for International Project Week, and what we were actually given as a brief was what makes us humans human in the world of AI.
So our concept starts with Jutti, which is Indian footwear, for us to show basically the grounded nature of humans and how we are different from AI.
And the title for our project is Brain Balidan, showing that we as humans are, hampering ourselves in terms of growth and giving away our true potential to AI, which we have depicted as God.
Our idea was that humans are not perfect, and it is not always about perfection.